Please, oh, let me share this experience with you guys. There's something that used to happen to me. I don't know if it is happening to another person. Like, it's as if I cannot remember 3 to 4 times now that this event have occurred to me. Your gas will not finish within the week that you'll be able to refill it. Hmm. This thing is going to finish within the weekend that you not be able to fill this gas. The other time that I refilled this gas, it finished within weekend when I was unable to fill it. Today again it have finished. How am I going to refill this thing now? Eh? Who else is having this experience? Please let me know. Eh? Or is it only me? Omo, this thing I no understand. I no understand. Eh? This while I've been free within the week to call these people to come and refill this gas. Eh? Today is Friday. How will I connect them? Today and tomorrow. Nothing like refilling the gas till next week. Omo, I don't understand.